Hey, if you're looking to hang up a pole to put LED lights up, if it's at a park, a fairground, your backyard, or wherever you can find a spot, we have here is an instruction booklet on how to do that. Give you a nice close-up look at what we get. Go over the information provided, see the materials and the parts and things you need. Each pole is individually wrapped. You get 2 top poles, 2 medium poles, and 2 base poles where you're going to pay attention to the staking ground and the points that are on there. 2 straps, tie wraps, and hooks. All the screws and C-clamps and other items. Since I don't have a ground where I could put this in, but I do have a small garden that I'm going to stake the poles in. So I've taken my cap off. I'm going to place this into my area. I could bang it, or I could simply get on the thing and I could step it into the ground as deep as possible. Then we take the next pole and we place it on, but I won't be able to reach on the top. So what I am going to do is be a little smart with my install and place the top one on. And if I wanted to, I could put my stringer, my lights on as well. But I am going to now go over here like so and place my pole in. And I am just basically almost done. We have this hook. It locks into place. And what we're going to do is put the pole back on. And we're going to take one of the ends that has a stake and stake it into the ground. This is what the stake looks like. Now, if the string is a little too long, what we can do is we can wrap it up. And then what we do is we give a little loop and then we stake it in the ground. We're going to finish off the other pole doing the same thing. We're going to put this into the earth nice and tight. And then we're going to simply just 1, 2, 3, like so. And we're going to get some lights and finish this off. I have an option to use the C-clamps to put it against the wood, a fence, wherever. Well, this is just one way of hooking it up. So let's go get our LED stringers. We have here is a 3-controlled method via a cable, a smartphone, a remote control, some colorful decorative string lights. They do a number of things. You could check out for more information online. At nighttime, we're going to give a very simple overview of the low level at night. So here we open up the box. You'll see how everything is laid out as we open it up. You get an instruction booklet, very simple to follow. It shows you how the smartphone as well works. A remote control that you're going to supply your own 2 AAA batteries. On the remotes, the on and off, auto, S, the dimmable, the memory plus and negative, a C button, 3 levels of music control, and the RGB control. On the remote control stringer will be your mic, your IR sensor, your mode, your on and off by long pressing, and your music mode. These bulbs are made of plastic. They got hooks so you can hang it on a string or just string them up. While it's going to take me a little bit of time to just disassemble this, we'll get this ready for you. All right, we have everything all taken care of. So what we're going to do is going to separate the pole. We're going to hook this up a special way. Give a couple of wraps. I'm going to now raise my pole. This is the way I put my lights up. I have my rest of the lights, which I may want to go this particular way, double them up. I got plenty of lights to hang. This accepts a 5 volt. And I have a power bank right here that we're going to turn on. And the lights should be on. And I can start to change different things and so forth. And you're not going to see it working right now. But you'll get the idea of how this thing operates, that I have red, green, and blue. And over nighttime, we'll see what this thing really looks like, all lit up indeed. So we're going to go set up the application and have some fun. We sit here, we're going to go through some of the modes. You can see the different colorings as they continue to hit. A lot of different colors when you just press the button. Now you could increase, I can see it's the maximum, and then you could decrease, I can see it's the minimum. If you hold it. So if you're looking to get a set of poles that you can hang up, say at a party in the evening hours at a park, a backyard, friend's house, wherever you want, boatyard, you could put these anywhere and do a lot of great decorations. So I hope these poles may be right for you.